So here we are going to demonstrate about pneumatic car, where it is going to be run with the help of air. The air cylinder will be giving input feeding to the solenoid valve, and from the solenoid valve it will be giving input to the double acting cylinder. The cylinder will be rotating the crank, which is called slider crank mechanism, which helps move the wheel forward or backward motion. So here you can see Arduino controller on solid state relay, which helps to turn on off the solenoid valve. So let us see the demonstration. When you turn on the solenoid, the relay gets starts to triggering. So we can increase and decrease the solenoid pulses. So better we keep it in the high position, so it can be giving an pulse rated DC as an output. So this is how the project can be demonstrated. So when we turn on the switch, it gives a triggering pulse, and keep in mind that do not stay forward in front of it. So the crank starts to rotate in the circular motion, where it helps the bearing to move forward or backward. So this is how the crank will be moving forward and backward. Thank you.